Hello, my name's Laurel Papworth and I'm an emergent technology evangelist, a Metaverse mentor. And in this conference session, I'm going to go through what should your organization be doing today to prepare for tomorrow in the Metaverse? And what exactly is the Metaverse? We know that Facebook, Meta, invested $10 billion last year, much more this year. We know that Apple and Apple Glasses will be up to around $25 billion this year investment. We're looking at Microsoft's acquisition of Activision for $59 billion and that Warren Buffett's invested in that. And not to mention Amazon, Google and of course Sony investments in the Metaverse. And then how will augmented reality, virtual worlds, decentralized finance, DeFi, cryptocurrencies, gamification, and other things impact your work life, especially with things like Facebook, Meta's Horizon Worlds? Will the Metaverse force us to use global Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and will we be integrating Shopify NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and other tokens into our online payment systems? But will a gamified job be more rewarding or more exhausting as you slip seamlessly from the real world to the augmented world and then into virtual reality and then back again, all of it as if it's a game? And how will your enterprise or your organization implement avatars and virtual land, not just for offices and meeting rooms, but more than that? This is not just for kids at home who are in Decentraland and Roblox and Sandbox and other not yet connected worlds in the Metaverse, but that's coming. How will stakeholders, customers, clients, constituents, businesses, anybody that you call a stakeholder, how will you implement campaigns for them into a direct channel that's now 3D? So if you're used to doing it on social media or traditional media, what does 3D media look like? What does virtual media look like? Gucci, Adidas, the NFL, the Australian Open and more, already there. What can we learn from case studies of virtual and augmented experiences from across tourism, hospitality, fitness, education, and of course your specific sector? From Nike to Coke to Hyundai and Sentosa Island, who's doing what in the Metaverse right now, today? I'm really looking forward to meeting you in the conference session. My name's Laurel Papworth, and don't forget to ask me some questions. Maybe I can cover them off in the session when we get there. Thank you for your time.